Now there's plenty of other ways to work and stabilize the lower back and the core as well. One of the main things is the plank position. So the plank position is great for it. Just holding a plank position is already stabilizing the core and the lower back, really making you work. So a lot of people do it wrong though. Again, could cause a back problem if you're not doing it the proper way. So first thing we're going to do is we go down on our ankles, down on our elbows. You want your elbows to be underneath your shoulder blades. You want your feet together. It makes it a little harder. You can start out with your feet wide if you need to, but when you start getting your feet together, it makes it a little more difficult. It's very important that my back stays straight. Now, if you have lower back problems, you can start by raising your hips slightly. You don't want to have it all the way up here. That's not working too much for you. That's putting more pressure on the arms. You want to be able to keep the back as straight as possible. What you don't want is you don't want your back dipping down like this. This is putting so much stress on that lower back. Anybody who has lower back problems is going to hurt. You want to keep it as strong as possible, core tight as you can. Now just holding this plank for an amount of time, that's going to start working your core. It's going to make this stability.